Okay. So this is like behind the scenes, and you'll see. You know why? Okay, this is going on. Say like. So say like my Roblox got thrown out because my Roblox pressed the alarm button. So we're gonna do behind the scenes, and we'll go on for it. So anyway, but before we do anything, say like this person got thrown out because that person pulled the alarm. So this is say like I will cover the camera. Anyway, but this is behind the scenes, and we're gonna do this. So just say like if I press the alarm, if I get thrown out, and I go ahead and talk to someone, and I will cover the camera, and it's like, so it's just real quick behind the scenes, and give you updates. It's just real quick behind the scenes, and we're gonna do 2 videos on this. We're gonna have the original one, and we're gonna do one for behind the scenes. So anyway, this is gonna be real quick, so you'll see everything. Okay. Anyway, but go ahead. So I'll cover the camera. If I exit out, I'll cover the camera. But so say like if I exit out the elevator, and if someone comes out, it says, "Oh, fine, I will leave." Anyway, but this is just. Anyway, but we're gonna do real quick behind the scenes, and we're gonna do one for original one. Okay. So just okay. So just behind the scenes, and then we're gonna do one for original one. Anyway, this. So you'll see behind the scenes, and you'll see one for original one. Anyway, but I will cut the camera, but one for original and one for the behind the scenes. Anyway, let's get going. This is just so I will be dividing clips, and I will be folding one for behind the scenes. So anyway, this is gonna be for season 4, which is episode 1. We're gonna just we're not there yet, but we're still. Anyway, but this is just anyway, but. Just behind the scenes I'm gonna do. So we're gonna try. Okay, say like just example. Say like if this, see, you push it. Anyway, but we're gonna do this. So Anyway, but so anyway, just just say like if it got stuck, like anyway, but so we're gonna go ahead, push the button. So we'll say like pushed up. Okay. Anyway, but here we go. Over you guys. So we're gonna do. Here we are at So. Oh, wow. I just love the music. Anyway, we're gonna go. So here we go. This is just one quick behind scenes on season 4. Anyway, it just give you real quick. So you will see the original one, and anyway, but so here we are. We are at the Kone elevators at the mall. So we're anyway, but get ready to go 3. You watch this. Let's take a look around. Anyway, but oh wow, you got a bridge over here. Let's go to 1. No. Here we are at 3. I mean, here we are. This is 3, but it's dark. Let's go down to 1. So you got a nice Kone elevator. This is teeny tiny lifts. 340 kilograms or kg or 4 persons. Okay. So you need to. So anyway, but. Push, oops. Push 1. There it goes. And we'll go to the next one. So we're gonna push alarm. Alright, fine. Okay, we'll leave. We will leave. We will leave. Yes, we'll leave.